Hi guys, good morning. Welcome, good evening, good morning. Anywhere else? Today is the day that we're gonna put our car mat for this car. Ito nga pala yung 2025 Honda Civic Sports. Nilalagyan natin ng car mat. So, kunin natin yung car mat. Sa garahe nga pala sila. Alay yung flat there. So, para kasi they put it in one box, so it's kind of wrinkled. So now it's, I believe, it's all straightened up. So pasensya na kayo dito, magulo yung garahe ko. So ayan siya ngayon, yan. So straight na siya ngayon. Okay, so we're gonna take this. We're gonna take them all outside. Hope I could carry it by one hand because we have camera. So bali ganyan na tayo ngayon. Lulabas tayo. Tingnan natin tong car mat. I'm just gonna stage in here. Stage natin siya rito. Yan. Yan siya ngayon. So now, you know, open the door. And alisin natin yung luma. So this driver side, meron siya ditong little clip. So nakaganyan siya. Yun yung lock niya. So unlock niya lang siya pag ganito. So make sure it's even dun sa slot. And even this one too. I unlocked this already. So tanggalin natin siya. And then kunin natin yung from front. So should be yung may hole. Tulad nito may hole. So this one set aside. This one kayang-kaya nyo to. It's not a no-brainer. So I'm just gonna slap this one here. Yan. Nice, di ba? Look like it. Tapos gaganto nyo lang siya rito. Lalak nyo lang. Same thing with the other one. Lock na siya. Hindi na siya ano. Di ba? Look like it came from factory. So you want to do the other side, or we're just gonna do the passenger side? So we're gonna do the next side. Go around na lang tayo. So ito yung pang passenger side. This one. Ang passenger side niya. So in this side, pwede natin hindi tanggalin yung original. Kasi wala naman siyang parang locking system. So lagyan na natin siya pa ganyan. It's cushion pa rin. So slide din. Slide natin yung chair. You always slide your chair back so you had more room to work on. So ganyan lang siya. See, fits like a glove, right? So now you could put this back on a normal position. Oh. Yan. Nice. Covered lahat siya. Covered niya yung side walls and everything. So when it comes to snow and dirt, you're just gonna sweep it or vacuum it, or if it's get dirty, You could still, this actually these are washable, okay? These are rubber. It's not cloth. It's a rubber. So now proceed tayo sa back. So in the back, we're not gonna take the original carpet kasi wala naman siyang locking. So mag-i-stick din siya kasi meron siyang sticking velcro sa ano niya, sa kanyang floor mat. So to put that in the back one, you have to move this forward so you have enough room. So backwards naman. So the front, you move the chair back, and this one to put it on, but in the back one you have to move the chair forward. So there's a hand lever here. Move natin yung chair forward so you have enough room to put it in sa ano, yung car mat niya sa likod. So I see something. So bago natin ilagay yung car mat, meron siya dong konting dust. So tanggalin na natin. Sorry kung meron pa tayong pagka-OCD na konti. Ayan, wala na. So, proceed tayo. So, the back one, the one has a bumpy thing. This one. See this? This is yung sasabi ko sa inyo na meron siyang velcro. Wala palang velcro. I'm sorry guys. So, it will stick in like the way it's ano. So now, make sure lang yung opening this one, it's in the forward. The small one, the opening here, it's for the back. The opening, this opening, it's from the front, and then this one's closure, it's in the back. So it fits like this. So saan nyo lang siyang ganyan. Make sure. Yan. Tayo sa kabila. So hindi pa siya perfect ano. So i-arrange mo natin siya. Yan. So make sure it's fit like this. Yan. Dito fit na siya dito. So tayo sa kabila. So guys, move tayo dun sa kabila. So dito fit na siya. Almost fit na, di ba? So move tayo sa kabila para ma-arrange natin ang konti. Oh, just for your information, this is for the 2025, okay? Honda Civic Sports Edition. So from 2022 to 2025, any Honda Civic that will fit. Ayan, so it's a matter of massaging and everything. Oh my god, I like this. It fits like a glove. See? Nice. Fits like a glove. Even the front one. Nice. So now we proceed to the back ones. So have to open the trunk. There you go. Press this one. Oh, nice. Meron na siyang ano, no? Tawilet para sa kotse agad. Yun yung trunk natin. So ito yung trunk. So yung small portion na yun, yun yung sa front of the car. And then this huge one here, it's the back portion. So mali ang gawa natin. So we're just gonna do this. Dito natin siya kasi isa lang yung kamay natin. So, pasok mo siya dito. So, yun siya yan. So, pwede natin siyang adjust, right? Adjust pa natin siya doon sa unahan. Sa kabila. Ayan. Like a glove. So there you have it, man. So it's for 2025 Honda Civic or any late model 2022 to 25. It will fit this car mat. Alright, comment down below if you guys need it. I still have more of these. So that's all, my friends, and thank you for watching.